You might put shades on an object, and it might ground the object. You might put light on an object, and it makes the object pop, right? You might put a diagonal line on a page, and then all of a sudden that image looks three-dimensional. So when you study,
especially surrealism, Salvador Dali. Surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon because Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. You know.
When you hear A chord, primarily it's 440 hertz. That is...
So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates.
The 145 blues progression.
Now, our interpretation of sound is a wave, but the reason why we interpret sound as a wave because sound is actually illustrated on a two-dimensional surface.